Hi folks, Richard here from Irish Pens. I wanted to show you today how to use our Grove pencil. Not pen, but pencil. It is the same design as our pen. It's rhodium, black titanium. This particular one has got an Irish whiskey oak pen body, but this is a pencil. Now, the lead for the pencil comes out through the tip here. Please excuse my hands. I am not a YouTuber. I am a wood turner and my hands get dirty, and that's just the way it has to be, I'm afraid. So please excuse any of the marks on my hands. But anyway, that's where the lead comes out. It comes out to the tip there. To advance the lead, all you do is you take the top of the pen here in your hand, and then you advance and you rest. You go advanced and then you rest. When you advance it, you can see that the actual lead is coming out to the top. And then you bring it back into the rest position so the lead stays out and you can write away. If you advance more, advance again, you can see the lead comes out a little bit more. If you then, when it's in the advanced position, if you are finished working for the day, you want to put the lead away, you're not going to use the pen for a while, just push down on the lead and it pops back into the pen, which is great. Bring it back to the rest position and it stays in there. So that's as simple as it is. You just advance to advance the lead, rest so you can use it. Advance to advance the lead, rest so you can use it. Now, if you want to change the refill, that's quite simple too. All you do is you unscrew the top of the pen like so. You take that section off the pen. You then withdraw the cartridge, let's call it that, which the leads fit in. We put the pen down. Now, you take off this little black top here, and inside then, the body of that cartridge are your leads. So they stay inside there. You put refill them, put the black cap on. If you lose that black cap, the whole pen just will not work. So please do not lose the black cap. Then you take your cartridge, you slide it back into the pen again. Now, that looks like it's in, but it's not in. It's only in when that knurled part is just protruding from the pen. So we'll jiggle it around. Now that cartridge is in. You then slide the top back over the section of the pen and away you go again. Advance, rest, advance, rest. So that is our Grove pencil. Great piece of engineering. It's a really, really well engineered mechanical pencil. It actually works. Lovely pencil. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you get one of these pencils as a gift, or if you buy it yourself and you have any issues or problems with it, give us a shout and we'll help you sort those issues out. It's a 0.5mm lead, which you can buy in any good stationery store worldwide. We'll also have them on our own website now within the next couple of weeks. So that's our pen. Thanks for listening, and we'll put up some more of these how-to videos over the coming months. Bye for now.